Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is December the 4th and I'm using my new Easy Scalper trading system. Now today when I was trading, I traded some pound pairs and the rest were futures and the indexes. Now on the pound pairs it was based on pound weakness. Also I could have traded the euros. There's a lot of trading opportunities today, but my goal every day is 200 or more pips and ticks. So both the euro and the pound were bus drivers, along with this USD, which is at 83%. So lots of price action today. So every morning around 6, except for today of course, I had to do a few things, so I was running a little bit later. Didn't get in front of the computer until around 7:30. Takes a little while to check out everything. And I'm also taking a look at all the different instruments. And of course, I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan, running in real time. And as you can see, almost everything is bearish except for the dollar CAD here. As I mentioned, a lot of trading opportunities. Now, my mentor told me many years ago, a lot of traders fail, and one of the main reasons is that they don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. If you're trading without a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason. There are other reasons, but one good reason is that you don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or you're interested in getting your hands on the daily trade plan, well, all you got to do is Skype me. Now, you will get an audio sound and a pop-up box alert suggesting either to buy or sell. This system has 2 excellent scalping indicators. Obviously, the first one is the scalper right here. The Easy Scalper, it changes from red to blue. And of course, you have the arrows, the super signal indicator, suggesting to sell here and here. And of course, the white arrows is something I put in manually once I establish the fact if I want to be buying and or selling. So let's run a check on these trades. On the first one, it's pound CAD. Now I sold it. As a matter of fact, I sold all of them between 8 and 8:38. I was not in the trade very long. Get in, grab those pips and ticks, and get out. Closed them all just a few minutes after 9. And it is not even 9:30 as I'm doing this video. And I am done trading for the day. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So as I mentioned, there's the white arrow from the daily trade plan, red arrow from the super signal. So I took the trade at this point. Could have stayed in the trade for more, but how many pips do you really want each day? I'm okay with 200 plus. So I took the trade at that point and I closed it out being happy with, looks like around 21. And those 21 pips paid out $162. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Now on the pound dollar, pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side here. Looking at the money, well, this should be 18. So that's 18. Let's see. Pound dollar, here we go. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal. Scalper was red. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn the secrets to trading the markets, which is what I teach. What I say, it should be 18. There it is right there. 18 pips paying out $180. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading. You will need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot. And of course, don't forget, you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now, you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Of course, when you buy from me, I do give support. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Also, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, moving on to the next trade. It's the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 53. So let's go and take a look at this Dow Jones. Now in the Dow Jones, another one that qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal, the scalper was red, everything was looking good, very good for shorting. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy. So let's see now if I can find that, what did I say, 53. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Let's see if we can find that 53 pips, or ticks I should say. There it is right there, 53 ticks, paying out $265. Okay, moving on to the next one. S&P 500 is the same as the Dow Jones, pays $5 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow back here for selling, qualified for a great way to trade. Easy decision to make, so I sold it. Now I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 90. So let's go and look for that 90. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so 90 ticks, paying out $450. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Now on this Russell, it pays $10 for each tick. So let's pull up the charts. Russell, so the money divided by 10, well, looks like it should be 58. So let's see where I got in at first of all. So 58, arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal, scalper was red. So I pulled the trigger at this point, as soon as things can line up. And as I said, it should be 58. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, 58 ticks, paying out $580. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ now pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it should be 32 approximately. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Scalper was red arrow back here. Daily trade plan was saying to sell. So here we go. What did I say? It should be approximately 32. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, so it's 32 ticks, and that paid out $634. Another trade we have to take a look at here. On this gold, it's the last trade, gold. Now gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 97.4. So let's run a check on that. Move this on the way up so we can get those 2 little cursors. I entered here, closed it out here. Qualified for a great way to trade. Scalper was red. Daily trade plan said to sell. Super signal said to sell. Well, no brainer. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn all the secrets to trading the market successfully. So what did I say? It should be 97. We're not going to worry about the 0.4. 97. Well, every once in a while have a problem trying to show it right on. From 95 to 98. So it's 97 ticks, and those 97 ticks paid out $974. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. I added up everything, came to 369 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $3,245. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now if you look right below this video, and I've had a few traders saying there's nothing below the video. Well, there is. There's a bit of writing and there's the word more. You just have to click on more or the banner, and it'll open up another window showing a lot of information and all my contact information. You'll even see a link for my Skype. Made it easy for you. Just have to click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer or if you have a cell phone, we'll be connected, and through Skype we can do screen sharing and we can chat. I can answer your questions, and I do that for free. Also in the description you will see 3 different packages. Recommend you getting your hands on all 3. By the way, I have a lot of different packages, and I do have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 for free. Doesn't mean you have to buy exactly those 3. I can show you other packages that you might find a lot of interest in. And I wanted to show you one other very interesting tool that I've been getting a lot of traders asking if I use Fibonacci. The answer is sometimes I do, and so I have available for you traders who love Fibonacci. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and of course that's after you get this Fibonacci tool. You would just go from swing pivot high to swing pivot low. So like I said, you would just click on the Fibonacci. You would go from swing pivot high to swing pivot low. And then there's your pullback retracement, actually the 50% right here, 50%. And then of course you have all your different targets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes all the way up to 10 targets, all the way down to there. Of course this is available, and if you want to see more of this, well, just get in contact with me. And of course I have 2 other packages, special limited time offer packages, where I offer a 50% discount. If you want to know what those packages are, well, just get in touch with me and I'll let you know what those packages are. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.